what are the ways to invest in real estate if I have no time to purchase a property? So this is kind of a bigger story. I'm not sure exactly the angle of this question, but the way to invest in real estate if you cannot or have the time to buy a property would be REITs, but I don't believe in REITs because the returns typically suck. So REITs I do not believe in. And also, I just want to stress a key lesson here. Investing is a zero-sum game. There are always winners and losers. Winners take the time to study market conditions, financing, property management, legal considerations, demographic trends, human migration patterns, and more. If you are not willing to invest the time in investing, and I don't care what investing it is, real estate, crypto, stocks, options, commodities, FX, you're going to lose because it's a zero-sum game. And the next question ties directly into that. Now, I don't want to dissuade you. If I had a choice, I have real estate. If I could ditch it all and flick it into Tesla right now without friction, I would.